Hello guys, let's try to create this transition and see how it looks like. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because we have many of this content in our channel. Okay, let's try to create this. At first we create a blank slide, and from the background we add the background from the clipboard or insert it from the picture to have them. After adding them, you don't forget you can save the background also if you want. After adding them, we need to create this shape. How we create this? We insert this shape, then round it up, and after that we make it black like the shape we have here, and then go here and to the shape effects and give it some effect and set the transparency lower. Now when we copy and paste the text here, you see the shape has been created. Now we need to create these effects and how it looks like. It's just the same shape as the previous one, but the difference from that is how we make it little. How we are going to use it? We are going to reduce the size of these things to 1, and then we are going to reduce it. We're going to bring it here, and you say it's not look like the past, but we're going to use a trick. We add a rectangle here and set none and slide background. Now let's see the magic happened here. After set the transition to morph, we have a problem. Can you guess? Yes, we forget to put it here. Now let's look like how it's look, and I think we can just simply copy that and paste it here, send it back. Okay, it's good. Now let's run it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because we have many of this content in our channel. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will answer you between 1 or 2 days. Have a nice night. Bye. Hello everyone, we are back here again. Let's try to create this transition and look how it looks like. Okay, at first it don't have anything special, and also it don't have anything special. Let's try to create this. We have a blank space and we have this text and this text here. The text has created easily. We go the shape format and use the format we have here. I think this format. Okay, then after using the format, we are going to select these things and go to home and change the font to Overdrive Sunset, and then we are going to give it some shadows too for it to look better. Then after that, we are going to create this text also, and we are going to put this text here, up and down. This text is created like that text. Now we need to add the pictures. These pictures are crop them in the Photoshop to have them become the pictures without any background for the usage. But the important thing is that we have another pictures here. What is it? Can you guess? By using crop, make the picture of the Edison too slow to see. You see here like this. And then in the next slide, what I do, I just simply bring them out and bring it in. After bring them in, I just simply go to picture format and crop it to the top, and then select here and crop it to the top. Now set the transition to morph. The option and transition has been created. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have many of these transitions and presentations you can use. And don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer between 1 or 2 days. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.